In this video, you'll learn how to sign up on the Duolingo app and start your language learning journey right away. Whether you're new to the app or just reinstalling it, I'll walk you through the entire sign-up process step by step so you can get started without any confusion. First, grab your phone and open the App Store on iPhone or the Play Store on Android. Search for Duolingo and tap on Install. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. Now on the welcome screen, tap Get Started. Duolingo will ask what language you want to learn. Select your preferred language from the list. Next, choose your learning goal, whether it's casual, regular, serious, or intense. After that, it'll ask why you're learning the language. Pick your reason, or tap Other if none applies. You'll then be prompted to either create an account or continue without signing in. Tap Create Profile. Now choose how you want to sign up. You can use a Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or email. If you choose email, type in your name, email address, and create a strong password. Once you've filled in your details, tap Create Account or Sign Up. That's it, you're now signed up and ready to start learning. In some cases, Duolingo might send a verification email. If that happens, just open your email inbox, find the message from Duolingo, and click the confirmation link. Then return to the app, and you'll be fully logged in and ready to go. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.